Hey y'all, it's Ginger. Welcome back to my channel. So I just got a package in the mail. If you guys didn't know, Nails by Jen started her own line of cuticle oil, and I am so excited to get my hands on this. Thank you so much, Jen, for sending it to me. So I'm gonna turn you guys around and open this baby up and show you what's inside, and all the links will be in the description box, so you guys go check her out and go check out her cuticle oil. It's NBJ Essentials, so Nails by Jen. I'm so proud of you, girl. Congratulations. Let me flip you around and show you guys what's in this box. Okay, so this is the cute little box, and her little branding and everything is so adorable. So I got my sparkly box cutter here to open this baby up with. Okay, so, ooh, looky here. Oh, look at that. That's beautiful. Just a reminder, you are enough. Aw, she's got some of the prettiest packaging. Thank you for supporting my small business, Nails by Jen Essentials. And there is all the information. You guys go check her out. Aw. Hey girl, hey, I hope you love these as much as I do, Jen. Thank you, Jen. So let's see. Oh, look at this, you guys. Please enjoy a discount for 10% off your next order. Ginger 10. There you go. So go check that out. I would love it if you could share on your social media. Well, absolutely. You guys, let me just take a minute to remind you how important cuticle oil is. It is so important to oil not only around your cuticle area but underneath as well. So don't look at my nails, they're a hot mess. I just got done working. I've been here for like 11 hours today, so I'm a mess. But when your nails are growing out, if you want to keep your natural nails healthy, it is important to also oil your natural nails underneath your enhancements. So I have a gel overlay on, same as if you have an acrylic overlay on. Your natural nails need that moisture. It's so important. And guess what, guys? Winter is coming. So you have got to make sure you're keeping your skin moisturized. Cuticle oil is so, so very important. Okay. So I picked the scent, something summery, I believe. What did I pick? Oh, vacation mode. Yes. So it is coconut, pineapple, mango scent. And okay, the best part, you guys, let me just give it a little shake. Look at the sparkles. You had me at glitter. So pretty. So this is her full-size bottle here. This is a 15 milliliter. Comes in a little squeezy bottle here. She also has in a little, I think it's a doe foot applicator. Yes, I love these. So again, give it a little shake and see all the beautiful sparkles inside. This one's called Birthday Wishes. It's vanilla cake and buttercream icing. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to open these and smell them. And then you have these really cute little sample size bottles as well. So let me just open this one up real quick and see what we got here. So again, with the little glitter. And this is another little squeezy bottle. And this one says Carnival Treats. So we're going to start with the little one and give it a little scent test. And I'm gonna put some on, which I need desperately. Oh my goodness, Jen. Oh, that is amazing. Ooh, I really love that. So I'm smelling, it smells like the carnival. Wow, how did you do that? Holy smokes. Okay, and it feels so good on the skin. And it leaves just a small shimmer behind. It's so pretty. I love that. Carnival Treats is amazing. Oh, I'm kind of sad I didn't pick that for the big one. Let's try this one next. I'm gonna open these up real quick. They are sealed, so let me open those. Okay, so you know, it's so important to moisturize, you guys. It will prolong the life of your gel polish manicure, your enhancements, all of that. Okay, so this one is Birthday Wishes. It literally smells like birthday cake. Oh my gosh. So we got this cute little doe foot applicator. I really like this. You can use this and massage your cuticles. Oh yeah. Very nice. And it's very important to get your natural nail underneath the enhancement as well. Oops. Oh, that smells so good. It seriously smells like birthday cake. Okay. And then vacation mode. I love fruity, tart kind of scents. So I thought pineapple, mango, coconut would be great. Look at the shimmer in that. Isn't that so pretty? Matches my nails. Okay, give this one a sniff. Oh, that smells so good. It's not so strong and overpowering that it's like, ugh, too perfumey. It's a subtle, really fresh smell. Ooh, I really, really like this one. That smells good. My girls are gonna like this smell. So most of my girls, I always oil at the end of every service, and most of my girls love the peach smell, but the peach oil that I get just isn't great oil. The smell smells really good, but the oil itself is not my favorite. It just doesn't feel like it goes into the skin well, and it's just not the best oil. This oil feels amazing. So she has here, it says handmade and hand poured, and then on the back are the directions, and you've got all of your ingredients as well. So a really, really wonderful product, you guys. Go support small businesses. If you're local, I believe you can do a local pickup, and if you're not, you can have it shipped. I think out of the three, my favorite scent is definitely Carnival Treats. I really like this one a lot. It smells so good and sweet. I like it. I like it. All the scents are amazing. Like I said, they're not overpowering, but it's just enough to give you a little, you know, treat with your cuticle oil, which I love so much. So you guys go check her out. All the links are in the description box below. Also, there is a 10% off coupon for you to use. So definitely take advantage of that, you guys, and oil them nails, girls. Oil them up. Don't forget, very important. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Thanks again, Jen, and I will see you all next time. Bye.